Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about a very beautiful and charming flowering plant called Lobelia. Lobelia is a small, compact flowering plant that is widely grown as an ornamental plant in many gardens. The plant produces very tiny flowers, but they bloom in such large numbers that they cover up the whole plant with blooms. The flowers usually come in shades of blue, purple, white, and pink. Especially the blue one is quite popular. It looks amazing when the plant is in full bloom. The plant itself is compact and slightly trailing in nature, which makes them perfect for pots, hanging baskets, and ground covers. It has soft green foliage and overall it gives a very gentle and elegant appearance. The bees and butterflies also love them. Even though the plant looks delicate, Lobelia is actually quite easy to grow if you follow the basic care tips. These plants are usually grown as annuals. In cooler climates, they bloom in the spring and summer season, and in tropical climates like my location, they grow best during winter and spring. Lobelia grows best in full sun to partial shade, so 6 hours of sunlight is great for them. Although I have seen they can tolerate heat pretty well, but in hot climates, it is better to give the plant morning sunlight and afternoon protection, because too much heat can reduce flowering and stress the plant. You can grow them from seeds or get little plants like this from nursery. I bought this tiny plant from a local nursery. For best results, use a well-draining, rich potting mix. You can use plain garden soil, mix around 30% compost. You can also add some coco peat, perlite or sand to improve the drainage and keep the roots healthy. You can easily grow and manage them in small pots. My plants are in a 5-inch pot and you can see how naturally they have taken a round, neat shape. Looks great even without flowers. And if your plant is not getting bushy naturally, you can pinch the top a little bit so they can get bushy. Lobelia prefers consistent moisture. When the plant is young, keep the soil slightly moist but not soggy. Do not allow the soil to dry out completely. Water them regularly, but always check the top layer of the soil before watering. Water only when the soil feels dry. Lobelia is not a heavy feeder. A light liquid fertilizer every 10 to 15 days is enough. You can add a small amount of compost and some bone meal once a month to get better flowers. If your soil mix is already rich, you do not have to fertilize them at all. They do quite well with minimum care. The plants don't need deadheading, which is a relief. And also I have not seen any pest in the plants either, so they can be managed very easily. So this is how you can grow lobelias easily in your garden. They're very easy to grow plants and they're very beautiful. They add a really delicate and romantic vibe to the garden. If you haven't grown them, definitely add them to your garden. And if you enjoyed my video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. I will see you next time. Bye.